Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, but is it replacing human creativity and science?
Physicist Brian Cox says not so fast. AI is powerful, but it's not taking over anytime soon.
In science, AI is already helping process huge amounts of data faster than ever before. But real breakthroughs still depend on human intuition and bold ideas. AI can analyze patterns, but it can't think like a scientist exploring the unknown. The same applies to creativity. AI is even being used in music production today. Artists like Paul McCartney have used AI to restore and enhance recordings. From isolating vocals to refining sound, AI is changing how music is made. But emotion, meaning, and creativity still come from humans. The real risk isn't AI taking over. It's overestimating what it can actually do. AI recognizes patterns, but struggles with true originality and deep reasoning. The future isn't humans versus AI, it's collaboration. Together, they could unlock discoveries faster than ever before. Stay tuned for more, and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.